Hi ladies and gents, and welcome back. It's Lockie here. I want to just run through the weekly summary, in fact for the last trading week in April, and you'll note with interest that I have picked on the video for the 29th, or picked on the screenshot 29th of April, just to really reinforce a rule which is becoming more and more apparent the more that I trade, and the more that I speak to senior traders. They might be at Macquarie, they might be at Patterson's, they might be Bloomberg's, they could be anywhere. The more I network with these people, the more that I realize a successful trader is going to let the market determine where you get in and where you get out. And ultimately tonight, you can see firsthand, in fact this week, you could see firsthand multiple examples of where if you were conservative, you could have got out with your profit and you could have locked in the profit. However, there were a number of examples where the profit ran and ran and ran. And I think what I'll be doing is coaching people certainly in the very near future as to how to take advantage of these trends. I think that if you were to use a trailing stop as opposed to a profit target to get out of your trades, you may find that if the market runs, that you can run with it. In this case here, conservative people could have taken around about 10% off both of those continuation buy signals on the left hand side of the screen. As it turns out, you took 10%, it ran on to over 30% per signal. That run up just there, that run up excluding all the other signals for this trading night, offered around about a 60% return. In fact, a little bit more than that. Key point is if you're getting 20% in total, in fact 20% in total, and the trade is offering 60%, I'd suggest that you're actually not a very good trader. Now, ladies and gents, I succumb quite often to the emotions, to fear and greed when we are trading. Then again, we continue to produce profit on a nightly basis. As I get better at my trading, I'm going to work more and more and more on letting the market run. If the market wants to run in my favor, then why not take more and more profit off the table? It's something that I am working on. It is a trading psychology thing. A lot of the senior traders I work with deal with exactly the same thing on a daily basis, and as they become masters at letting the market determine what it wants to do and just running with it, as they start to master that, they're becoming more and more profitable with their trading. All in all, I think a reasonable week. If I have a look at what was achieved, we actually got a pretty reasonable return despite the lack of volatility in the market. Based on the screenshots that I have shown you, based on the aggressive and the passive profit targets, if you were conservative this week, you should have been returning around about 70% on your contract. So for a one contract trader, you should have earned around about $700. For those that were a little bit more aggressive, as we can see even with this example tonight, if you were more aggressive, you should have been actually around about the 110% return, which is a pretty phenomenal result considering the current market conditions. So well done for those people that finished in the green. Well done even more for those people that finished considerably in the profit. Congratulations. I do hope that you are learning from our trading videos, that you're understanding firsthand the mentality behind what we are doing. To me, the indexes are there to be taken advantage of on a daily basis. And as I've said many times, ladies and gents, if you want to find out more about what we're doing, watch the videos, and if you want, attend a webinar. Just speak to one of the traders. Find out from the people that taught me how to trade, how I'm in fact doing this on a daily basis. I look really forward to updating you for the rest of the year, because I think as the US economy strengthens, we're going to start to get some even better trading opportunities. So all in all, between 70 and 110% return was up for grabs this week for those people that know what to do and when to do it. Have a great weekend, ladies and gents, and bye for now.